So, hello everyone. So, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm really glad to have you back on these sections. So this is how you practice your English at your house by yourself. While you're making breakfast, while you're preparing for lunch, while you're preparing for dinner. And as you see, the vocabulary that you want to learn. And also, it could be a little bit difficult or complicated for you at the level at you're at. So, why not? Why not start being confident with everything you have at your house? So, I can guarantee you, you're gonna be so surprised to see how many words that you don't know at your house. So we are gonna narrate everything in detail while I preparing my lunch, especially while I at the kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to turn on the stove. Yeah. And then I'm going to level up the temperature or the fire. So I turns up. And then I'm gonna open up the refrigerators. You can see right in the front of me that there are a lot of freezing fridge food that I've been storing for a while. So I'm gonna take this egg out of refrigerator and then I'm gonna take my water out of the refrigerators and then I'm gonna take out the fruit, orange, and also um, banana. But wait a minute, did I forget something? I haven't told you what would I would like to cook for today. Okay, I forgot. So, for today, we're going to cook omelette. So that's why I take the eggs out of refrigerators. But it's a little bit weird why I also take a fruit. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, first thing that we are going to do is to crack this egg into a bowl. And then add a little salt, pepper, or anything else. MSG maybe if you have. And then I'm going to beat this egg until they will mix. I'm stirring right now. And then I heat the pan and I will going to add a little oil or butter if you have. And then I will pour this egg into a pan and then I will waiting for a couple of minutes until the egg will cook. After the egg will cook and I turn off the stove. Okay, so that's how we preparing for omelette.